Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. Today in lecture 12, we shall discuss CICD for microservices architecture application in .NET using the WebApp services. In this channel, you will find the solution for different tasks in the Azure DevOps. You can get the training for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CICD on this channel. All videos are prepared by the certified engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 12, Azure DevOps CICD for microservices architecture application using the WebApp services. So today we shall proceed to the next step. After completing the part 1 of CICD for the microservices, now today we shall complete the CI section for the React.js application. In my previous lecture, we have started the CI continuous integration for the React.js. Now today for the step 1, first of all we shall install the Node.js installer, which is necessary for the React.js application. So when you click on this plus button in the Azure DevOps, you will find the interface like this one. In this interface, you will write the node in the searching box on the top right corner. When you write the node in the searching box, you will find the control Node.js tool installer that we shall use to install the Node.js, because for the React.js application we shall install the Node.js. It is the requirement of the React.js application. So when we shall click the add button, the Node.js installer will be added at this position. In the step 2, when you have added the Node.js installer, we shall pass the parameter of the version that we need according to our application. In my case, the Node version is 16.14. This version may be different in different application. Right now, your application may be in 18, but my application is using the version 16.4 for the Node.js version. So you shall write the version according to your application here. After that, in step 3, similarly, as I have added the Node.js installer, again I shall click the plus button and I shall search for the npm. After selecting the npm, I shall pass the some parameter to the npm install component. In npm install component, first of all, you will in the command you will select the install. In the command section you will select the install command, and after that in this portion you will select the folder having the package.json file, root folder of the React.js application, because it is required that you apply the npm install command at the root of the folder having the package.json file. In the next step, apply the run command. When you have installed the npm at the root of the folder having the React.js application, in the next step again I shall click on the plus button and search for the npm. When you add the npm, you will select the command custom. In the command section you will select the custom command, and after that in the below section you will select the root folder as I have done in the previous section. You will select the root folder, and in the command section you will apply the run build. In order to build the React.js application, we apply the command run build. So we shall write run build at this position. When you apply the run build application, React.js application create the folder with the name build, which have a different required file for the deployment. So in the next, after this, in the next interface, we shall get the, we shall use the push artifact drop button. We are using this component because after building the React.js application, we shall push it in the CD section so that we can use it in the CD section, continuous delivery in the Azure DevOps. So in the push artifact component, we shall give the drop is the by default folder created by the Microsoft Azure, and this is the important, very important thing in this case. Path to publish. Path to publish means this component will push the files and folder in the CD section so that we can use these file in the CD section for the deployment. So in this case, my build folder created in this section. I want to push this build folder in the CD section. So I have written here web react app build because my root folder is web app, and when I build this web app, I shall find the folder build. So I want to push build folder in the CD section. After writing this path, our build folder will be pushed to the CD section that we shall use in my next lecture in the CD section. In the next lecture for the CD section, first of all, I shall configure the Azure web app, and after that I shall configure the release for this application, and our CICD for the React.js will be completed. After completing the React.js application, I shall cover all the web API and the CICD for the database as well. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you good luck for your career.